Life is like a beautiful painting filled with endless colors of joy, hope, and laughter. And for us, the place where these wonderful colors come to life every single day is Cihan Educational Community-Sulaimani. From the moment we step through the gates each morning, we feel the warmth of a second home. The bright sunshine in our schoolyard, the welcoming smiles of our guards and teachers, and the happy greetings from our classmates make every day feel special. Here at Cihan, learning is not just about opening textbooks. It is about discovering the magic of the world around us. In our classrooms, we explore fascinating science experiments, travel through history with storytelling, solve exciting math puzzles, and paint the bright colors of our dreams. Beyond our lessons, Cihan teaches us the most important truths of life: how to be compassionate, how to listen with respect, and how to stand together as true friends. During break times, our playground fills with pure energy, shared lunch, and joyful laughter under the open sky of Sulaimani. We are not just pupils sitting at desks. We are a vibrant, united, and caring community. Cihan reminds us every day that the true beauty of life lies in curiosity, kindness, and growing together hand in hand. We are so proud to be a part of this incredible family. We love our teachers, we love our friends, and we truly love our life at Cihan. Thank you all so very much.